Okay, last project you need, and you should always include this, is installing it. Just to hand it over to somebody who's commissioned you to do is not going to help. Installation, because we put a single hook on the back, that's all we're going to need is one hook on it, and it's to be right about here where it's hanging. Also, because it's very light, you could buy special hooks in the hardware store that'll hook right into drywall. If you got to go into just the drywall itself, if you're going into plaster or concrete or wood, you go to a different type of hardware. But it's very light. It weighs probably less than 20 pounds, so it's nothing that we need is very heavy to do it. The other thing you may want to think about is the lighting. If there's any way you could put accent lighting onto it that will draw out the depths, it would also create more interest and make your eye be focused on where you want the eye to start in your piece and carry on through. If this had a spotlight right on this, it would be great from the top, looking down and around. Another thing you could think about is what lighting would look like if it came up from underneath. And if it's colored lighting or white lighting, if it's lit from the back, could be another option. So really think about the installation and what the final thing is going to be viewed as. And this is thinking of a wall hanging that's out of the usual shape of a round circle.